Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I'm going to talk about how to install Minecraft Java Edition on iOS. So the first thing you want to do right now is make sure you have the latest version available on your device on your software. So that would be general right there. Go to software update and make sure there is no pending update. Next up, this is actually really crucial. Go to your Safari and this is going to be the link. So just search on Google Minecraft Java Edition launcher for Android by the guy Pojov Launcher. So thank you for him. Type his name and you're gonna see the Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now once you're here, please take note on the introduction first. And the requirements right here would be iPhone 6 and later, i5 5th generation and later, iPad Pro and basically iOS 14.0 and later. Check on those, that's why we check if you have any pending updates. However, we recommend one of the following devices on iOS 14 and later. This one's right here. Right? Now, once you're satisfied, once you checked everything, all goods to go, simply look for the one that says installing the Pojov launcher. Click on the releases right here, and it will redirect you to a new platform and look for the API file. This one right here. Click on it and basically install it. It's going to be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.